bien parce que les autres attendent un peu.
So you see some of them are already floating down?
No?
Not yet?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
No, you see some floating?
Yeah, and you can see some are actually coming back because he could not actually go up
Yeah, exactly.
that steep bank.
Are they good swimmers?
Excellent swimmers. They can swim very well.
Zebras as well?
Yeah. You can see some of the zebras actually in the water. They are just crossing.
C'est incroyable, incroyable. T'imagines le 12 qu'on voit là?
T'as vu les boules?
So it's so funny the way they are doing like a double crossing. The others are coming back and the others are going. So
Double crossing.
yeah.
Ah, there's one, they have found a way.
Yeah.
On the left.
On the left, or yeah. Yeah.
Ah, les bons qui font.
See, some of them are already stuck. Just see where they started going up fast. There's some that are stuck in the rocks there.
The zebra lost
Yeah. He's trying to find.
another way,
Yeah.
but it's impossible here.
Yeah.
No zebra. Ah, but it can be relaxed a little bit. Il a pied. Comment on dit il a pied?